one of the ways, I think the first way, perhaps, that a person who is questioning his salvation, the first question that you should ask yourself is this. People tend to go, well, there's all these tests in 1 John about what a true Christian is. Yeah, that's true. But the first question that you should ask yourself is this: do you believe the promise of Christ in the gospel? When he says, come to me and I will give you rest. When he says, come to me, I will never cast you out. Do you believe his promise? Do you believe the promise that Christ receives sinners like you? And that by coming to him by faith, he will receive and forgive you. Do you believe that? No one's a Christian who doesn't somehow believe that. That's the first question you ask. Does your heart leap in affirmation at the proclamation of Christ, that he is the friend of sinners? Do you trust that promise? Because, look, beloved, your obedience is always going to be imperfect.